Hi guys, good morning. Today we're going to hunt for Pokemon TCG card. Kasi sabi nila nag-restock daw ngayon ng mga retail store ng Pokemon cards. So, September 3, yun ang sabi nila. Titingnan natin. Pupunta tayo sa Target, sa Best Buy. Ano pa ba ang pupunta natin? Punta tayo sa Safeway. Kung may pagkakataon pa tayo, punta tayo sa GameStop. It's 8:30 in the morning. Hindi ko lang kasi kung bukas na yung GameStop at saka yung anong tawag nito, yung Best Buy, but I'm sure open ang Target na ngayon. I don't know. Sa Safeway siguro open na yun kasi meron, punta natin yung vending machine nila. Then yung ano ba tawag nito, yung Best Buy, tingnan natin kung open. Mga 10 o'clock kasi magbubukas yun eh. At saka yung GameStop, ang bukas niya ay mga 11 o'clock pa. So anyway, we'll see if we can get something na pwede nating paglaruan ngayon. So here we go. We gotta catch them all, Pokemon! So guys, nandito na tayo sa Target. So tingnan natin kung meron tayo makukuha Pokemon cards dito. So dito yung Target sa Middle River. So malapit lang dito sa place ko. So let's go. Kung meron tayong makuha rito o nag-stock sila sa display nila. Pag wala, puna tayo dun sa dun sa customer service. Tanong natin kung meron sila. Dito. So dito tayo. Pokemon sila rito, nakalagay dito. See guest service for more recent release, limited edition release. There's a limit up to 2 years per all trading cards now. So wala sila rito. Meron sila rito yung mga Lorcana, Union, pero hindi lang meron sila rito battle deck, pero hindi ko itong ang aking ang aking purpose. So I'm gonna check the service. Guest service. Okay. Dito tayo sa meron sila dito. Walang tao. Meron nata sila rin. Magic. Meron sila rin. Magic. Natin kung meron sila. Okay. Yeah. Hi, good morning. Do you have a Pokemon card? Alright, I'm just like Pokemon hunt today. So
Yeah,
I thought you're gonna restock today, so that's why I come here. Thursday. Oh, this coming Thursday, not today. Okay, anyway, thank you very much. Alright. Well, they said they don't have stock today. I guess mali yung information na nakuha ko kagabi na sabi September 3, Thursday pa raw ang restocks nila. Pero anyway, let's see kung other places baka meron naman tayo makuha. Okay? Alright guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Safeway. So, tingnan natin kung meron tayong ma-hunt na Pokemon cards. Dito tayo sa Safeway Department Store. Find Pokemon cards here. Meron dito yung vending machine. Tingnan natin kung makakuha tayo ng Pokemon cards. Maski isa lang, okay na. So here we are. Vending floor ito. Ito yung Pokemon vending machine. Sabi touch to start. Tingnan natin kung meron siyang available. Wow, sold out. Sold out sila. Maski isa wala. Oh. Nothing is here. Nothing. Wala. Wala ni isa. Oh. Please take question to Pokemon customer support. Okay. So alright, wala sila rito. So harap lang tayo ng iba. It's already 9:25. Okay, hello guys. Dito ako ngayon sa ibang branch ng Target. So subukan natin kung makakuha tayo dito ng Pokemon card. Ayan o, dito tayo. Oops, ito muna, kalimutan ko atang ilak ng aking skin. Ilak muna natin. Sure ba kasi nakawan tayo. Alright, let's go. Sa cash register kung meron sila. Tingnan natin sa likod, baka meron sa likod na. Wala na baka medical. Ito. Sila ritong Magic Card, Mega Collector Bus, Yu-Gi-Oh Card. There's nothing there. Dito tayo sa naging card tayo sa kanilang privacy. Pokemon card dito. there's one in here, Ultra Pro, but it's $41. This is the Battle Academy. Alright. All cover proof. Alright, we're gonna ask somebody to see what's in here. It's Ultra Pro. Alright. So still I couldn't find anything on Best Buy. So I'm gonna go to the other store. There's another Target there. That's gonna be my last store that I'm going to visit. And see if we can find a Pokemon TCG card in there. So alright, let's go there. Alright guys, this is the last store that I am going to visit. I'm back to Target. This is the third Target that I visited, and I couldn't find any Pokemon TCG card. So first I went to Target near to my place, then I went to another store, then I went to Safeway, I went to Best Buy, but they're out of stock. We don't have any. So one of the lady, the sales associate in Target said Thursday, the next time they're going to be restocked. But I was told that September 3 they will restocking all the stores, but there's nothing. So anyway, let's check this whole Target here. So here's the Target. Let's see if we can get anything. All right. This. Okay. What? Can I look at it? Is that okay? It's the Charizard EX. How much is this?
I think it's $37.
$37. I guess I found one in here. Guess this is Charizard EX. So how many packs in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess this is good enough. So alright, I'm gonna get this one. Thank you very much. So finally I got one. So we're gonna go home and we're gonna open this card, the Charizard. I hope I can have a hit on this card. Alright, see you at home. Hey, I'm back finally. So I started looking around my places to find a Pokemon TCG cards, and finally I found one at around 12 noon probably, and this is what I found. So I'm gonna speak with my own language, so it's more comfortable for me to speak on my language. I'm a Filipino, so mahilig akong mag-collect. Actually, meron akong mga collection ng cards, comics, and boxes. So, kukuha tayo ng Charizard EX Special Collection. So, what's gonna do? I'm gonna put it in here on my side. These are all my collectibles things from Pokemon. So, it's gonna sit in here. Let's remove this one out of the video. Be sitting there. Later, we're gonna open TCG pack. So I just want to show you guys. So everything is in here. I got all my collections in here. Everything in here. The good thing is these are all for sale. So that's what it calls like trading. So anyway, if you're interested with all my collections, just send a message to me. I'll send you my link where you can buy all my collections. And anyway, everything is here. I have all my Pokemons in here. I have my Voltron there on the top. I have my what's this? I have a collection of comics there graded by CGC, and a lot of stuff in there at the back. I have also a lot of these things. Yes, it's not ipagawa. Aking English, nakaka-bleed nosebleed. So maya buksan natin to. So anyway, for now, I'm gonna start this call.